Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Salesforce to Mailchimp in 2024. Of course, integrating Salesforce with Mailchimp allows you to synchronize your customer data and also streamline your email marketing efforts. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to set up this integration. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started right away. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this you want. Once you open it, of course, you'll need to go and open both our MailChimp account and Salesforce account. So go here, type salesforce.com, open a new tab and go to mailchimp.com. Once you open both, make sure to, if you have a problem language in Salesforce, you can just hover this icon, go to all countries English, or you can choose your specific country to choose whatever language suits you. As example, maybe Canada, French, Espanol as example, Brazil, Portuguese, whatever you want. But for me, I'll just choose all other countries, which is English. You can log in into your account to Salesforce right away, or click on try for free to create an account. We can even watch some demos as example. If you want to, as you can see, you can unlock the full demo here. You can just fill up your information as an example. So just here, try as example to do that. So job title as example, just type here student, email. Of course, you can just type your email right away. So just do that. And I'll have to add at gmail.com. And company as example, just do this. I'll just do like something like this. I'm not very sure of that, but I'll just do this. And yeah, of course, if you want to receive marketing, communication, etc., just check this option. If you don't have to check it. Then click on watch demo. So you can access, of course, the demo of Salesforce. Then you'll have to do the same, of course. If you don't want to create an account, like because you only have like 30 days free trial. So some people may not want, as example, to go and create an account right now until they get used to the demo, etc. So the same will be for Mailchimp. Make sure to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, go and create your account. Example, you can create your account. Very simple. So for me, I'll just go here and log in into my account right away. Keep me logged in. Click on login in here. And I should be logged in into my Mailchimp account right away. Yeah, here we are. So once we are here, of course, on Mailchimp, we will need to go and install the Mailchimp, of course, for Salesforce app. Basically, to connect to Salesforce to Mailchimp, we'll need to use Mailchimp, of course, for Salesforce app. You can just go, of course, you can go first of all to Mailchimp. If you go here to this list panel and find integrations, just go to this integrations, and here you can search for integration name or category. As you can see, all you need to do, just type here Salesforce. And here you'll find three options to connect to Salesforce, as example. So you have this Skyvia. As you can see, no code in Mailchimp data integration with major cloud apps database, including Salesforce, Dynamic CRM, SQL Server, and a lot of other stuff. For this Salesforce integration by Beaufort, as example, whatever is that, easy to set up, be directional sync with Salesforce, native components, and etc. You have this integrates Salesforce or NetSuite to your Mailchimp account. So we have here three things. I'll open them, three of them, and you can check them, of course, one by one, whatever suits you. If some of them, as example, offer like so, this one is paid, as you can see, so the cost is paid, and it will offer for you like a free trial for just 4 weeks, and then you'll have to start paying $100 per month. It comes with this feature. If you didn't like it, just go to the next one. And this one is an example. So again, it's paid. As you can see, the features that comes with this here. So you have to start paying. This is just starting. So from $25 per month. As you can see, per Salesforce organization, unlimited. Of course, you can create how many you want. And yeah, for the last one, as example, they have freemium. What does freemium mean? That means they have a free plan and they have other paid plans. So depending on the plan that you want, if you don't want to pay anything, this Skyvia will be the best for you. As you can see, no coding needed. You'll be able to connect it to Salesforce and do imports, CSV imports and exports between the both of them, like import or export some data, some reports, whatever you want. As you can see, integrates Mailchimp with major cloud apps and database visually. Key features here. So read those informations if you are, would like, of course, to connect, or maybe you would like to have more features. So if you like it, it's for me even the best like option because it has the most downloads. You can see 2,000 installs plus. This one has none, it seems. So it's up to you. It's actually up to you, as you can see. So you can even here watch a video about this. So it's 3 minutes video to see like how it's going to work and etc. As you can see, very easy. So to connect your Mailchimp to Salesforce, as an example, I'm using this. So I'll just go here and click on learn more. This will basically take me into their website. I'll just go here and sign in because I have already an account. For you can simply just click on sign up to create an account. You can even use Google and a lot of other options if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're there, as you can see, you will find yourself here. This is going to be the home screen. As you can see, I just created my account before. Make sure to finish first of all this, like complete your profile, complete your roles, select your use cases. So you will finish like the getting started of this. Now you can simply start like syncing data between Salesforce and Mailchimp, setting up some automated campaigns, troubleshoot some common issues. For example, if you encounter any issues during the integration process, there's a lot of like few common troubleshooting tips. You can check the Mailchimp API key and ensure like a lot of things. Like there's a lot of things. Of course, here from connections, you can simply start creating a connection and create a connection between like Salesforce. And of course, you can choose like an environment as it's production, sandbox, or custom authentication. Also, then you'll have to enter the authentication of course, token, or simply click in here to sign in to your Salesforce right away. Then simply, of course, you can test the connection. After that, you'll need to do a connection with Mailchimp as well. Go and enter the access token, or you can simply just sign in with Mailchimp right away from here, as you can see. So and you can simply allow it and it will be connected. Once it's connected, of course, you can simply test the connection from here or click on create connection. Of course, if you click on test, as you can see, connection is successful. So you can change whatever you want in here, like whatever you want, then click on create connection. Once you connect, as an example here, so just save it, of course. Once you connect here, your Salesforce and Mailchimp, now you'll be able to simply just go so I'll just go to connections here. You'll be able to import and export different things between the two of them. And yeah, that's how you basically do it with this app. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.